Okay, so here are the details I have. So I have two pull requests. Maybe Akriti also will create one more. Um, thing that you need to observe is everyone are changing code in my folder. Like if you see files changed, the files changed are in Vajrang project team 1, calculator use case scenarios and testing. So this folder is common for everyone. Okay, next let's go back. Coding project. Okay, and files changed. Okay, and this is with files changed. Let's see. So there is week 1 project, and in that project there is object, there are screenshots and edition files, YAML file and everything. Okay, and this is a main file. This is good. Pull request, and this is documentation process. Okay, and I can accept and I can check. Okay, files changed, I can see. Now if you see, everything are in one single folder. Now if I change or if I commit anything, then will others files be affected or not? For example, right now let's see how many files do we have in this. I don't have any single file because I haven't accepted any item. Okay, so what we can do, let's go to GitHub, pull origin. Okay, excuse me. So we have 4 pull requests. We'll first check with the documentation created by Rajiv. So if you observe, this folders also will be updated, but this is not my main folder. This is Rajiv's code that he made a pull request. So what I'll do, instead of adding everything like this, I will add a new folder. Because I am the owner, I can do changes. Documents, and I will just add this one, and I'll just add this one. Okay, now if I just change the branch to main, my main branch will still be intact without any change. See, can you see this? There are no changes. So as soon as I change the branch, this folder will be updated by GitHub, not by me. So let's see this, and let's see here, week 1. Okay, so now let's go ahead and change it to documentation. I made a change. Use stash, restore stash. Okay, all the documents are moved, and then documentation accepted. Push. Okay, so now this is in 411. I can go into branches, main, and I will accept, choose a branch to merge, that is 411. Okay, everyone just make a fetch upstream and see whether you are able to see all the changes or not. Fetch upstream and see the changes. Please confirm. Are you guys texting me or what? Okay. What is stash? Okay, stash is, see, I made some changes in other repository, right? So it actually stored it in some temporary repository, that is stash. So when I clicked on view stash, then I had all my changes back. Let's do one more stash again if you want to see what is stash. So now we are checking with the coding process, right? But for code, we don't have anything. If I go to week one, there is documents only. Let's go to coding. Okay, now this is changed to integration part one and GitHub. So let's go with this one. I want to just check if the code is working or not. Let's see. Without making or without committing, I just want to see it first.
That means without accepting the request itself, we can get into the local machine, right?
Exactly. Okay, even I think Nikhil, you're having a lot of disturbance from your end. Okay, so even without I open any or I commit any change, or if even before I accept the changes, I can see what are the changes made. Okay, and I can review each and every change. Only then I can accept.
Okay. That means if you get pull request, that's the reason you are able to see it in desktop version of GitHub.
Yeah, I'm just checking what pull request is being made and what are the changes happened in that pull request, because all the commits are available in that, right?
Yes, yes.
I haven't accepted it, so no one will be able to see it except me. So
Yeah,
first,
just check. Not able to see the documentation part yet.
you do a fetch upstream.
I have clicked on fetch upstream,
Do it again.
but not able to see the.
Issues. Let's see with the code. Okay, and here let's go with Vajrang.
Vajrang, your voice is little low.
I'll try to speak as loud as I can, but can you see with this particular team project one week one documents?
We can see it, Vardhan.
Yep. Okay, so that I have accepted. Now let's check with the code, like what exactly have happened. Run file. Let's see. So what do you think? Will I accept this one?
I think no, but then what we have tried is like
So what is this?
actually we haven't much concentrated on exceptions actually because we tried uh, dividing the code into different team members and then getting it from GitHub. Mostly that we have done.
Okay.
We haven't much concentrated on code actually, and then how to integrate the all the code into one code that we have concentrated.
Okay, you are entering an operator, and if you have observed, all that you are doing is you are taking code from multiple members, and you are making sure that you have some inputs and you get an output.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this seems to be fine. I like this. So what I'll do, I'll just accept the changes. So you asked what is stash, right? Now when I open this, there are some file changes here that have happened. Can you see? when you commit it, I don't have these entities, objects, screenshots, and all. Okay. Now
Sorry, where?
this on the left side, if you can see entities,
Yeah.
objects, screenshots. These you haven't committed, but I have these changes made in my machine.
Okay. Okay.
Now when I go to see, this is like a uh, temporary place where changes are being made in my machine. Now if I change or switch the branch to main, okay, so when I clicking on leave my changes on PR412, these changes should be stored somewhere, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So that is stash.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now if you come
It's
back,
like keeping it somewhere and leave it there and go to next folder.
exactly.
And then,
Okay. Now if you go to
okay.
week 1 integration part, let's see that again. Main file, just refresh it. So if you can see, this is the main integration part. I don't have any of the file that you have committed. All the files are created in my machine. All the entities, settings, templates, th, project json, these are created in my machine once I open the project. Okay, now if I go back to my coding, I can see the changes. Okay, there are 5 changes that you have made. Okay, that you
Okay.
can accept it. So I can view my stash, restore. If I made any change, I can take it, or if I haven't made any change, I can discard them as well.
Okay.
Now what I will do is I will accept the changes. So this I'm committing to PR 412 and I'm submitting to your your pull request. Okay, now I will add it to main. Till now, everything happened only in your pull request.
Okay.
Now I am adding everything to main so that others will be able to access.
Okay.
Push origin. Guys, please check whether you are able to see integration part. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking Akriti's data and adding it to testing folder and saving it. So this should ideally be done by Akriti, but since she already made a pull request, I'm just adding all the details. Pushed branches, I'll go back to main. See, all the files will be changed automatically as soon as I change with the branches. I switch with the branches. Just now, commit and launch. So if you can see, there are 3 conflicts because you made some change. There is a change on PR 143 and this one. How to resolve it? Use add from main, add it from main, because I just want to add everything from mine, not from Akriti's. Continue to merge. Okay, close. Let's delete this. Continue to merge. Okay, push origin. Okay, now do we have documentation, integration and testing, everything in my place? Guys, please confirm. whether
Yes,
you
we
will able
have.
to see it. Okay, now I want someone who is not speaking to speak and help me out. Till now, whom I haven't pulled up. Just a second. Amruta? Amruta, can you please unmute and talk? Okay, if not Amruta, Lakshmi.
Hello.
Yeah, Lakshmi. Can you do you have UiPath Studio installed in your machine?
Yes.
So let's assume that Lakshmi is our deployment team member. Okay. Now Lakshmi, you will deploy the code.
Okay.
Can you please share the screen, please? And you are a part of which team? Is it development or testing or deployment?
Documentation.
Super combination. Okay, let's go.
So I didn't download it.
You
Okay,
don't
I'll
have
share.
GitHub in your machine? Please don't say that.
No, I haven't. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, go to GitHub desktop. Okay, instead of documentation process on the top, change it to Vajrang, RP developer in 30 days folder. Okay, once you changed it, fetch origin. Okay, I think you need to make a fetch upstream in the website, GitHub website. Refresh it once. Go to my folder, Vajrang folder, and see whether all the code is available. Click on
Yeah,
fork.
please.
You need to see it in your machine, not in my repo. Click on fork on the top right. Fork. Yep. View existing forks and open your fork. See your
So
commit.
please.
What happened? Yep, RP developer in 30 days. Open that. Fetch upstream. Open pull request. Can't automatically merge. Why? Create a pull request, please. Merging from main. Just add merging from main and then make a pull request.
So no need to.
Yeah, just click on pull request. I just want to see what are the conflicted items. So is that your item? Your repo? Lakshmi
Yes.
1989. Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Okay. Then accept the pull request. Scroll down and accept the pull request. Just scroll down. Okay, this commits must be resolved before committing. Okay. Let's do a simple thing. Give me the access, please. Request.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go into GitHub. There are some changes that you made that are not available in your machine. Okay, let's go to history. Small node.doc. Revert changes and commit. Revert changes and commit. I'm just removing all the changes that you made.
Okay.
Okay, this is done, and then just let's pull origin, push origin, fetch origin. Let's see now if we can commit, because since we have updated or moved all the changes,
Yes.
this should work. Okay, you can also open this in GitHub desktop. Open branch with name already exists. Okay, what are the changes that you made? Okay, this is not the one. Do we have anyone with who just pulled out all the changes?
Yes.
Yeah. Raj.
Rajna.
Who's that? One person, please raise the hand.
Rajan, sir. Rajan.
Okay. Rajan. Okay. Lakshmi, just wait. We'll check this later. We are getting delayed. So, Rajan, just show me the code.
Okay. So here's the
Open the code. Open the code. Code. Go to integration part.
okay.
Yep. Open that. Open main.
Mm,
Is your orchestrator connected to your machine?
Yes.
Okay. But in actual scenario, we will not have orchestrator connected to your studio.
Okay.
There are two ways how you can deploy. First way is by using studio. From studio you can make a push to orchestrator or publish option. Let's just wait.
Question through tenant is it?
I didn't get you.
We can push that one right for the orchestrator connection.
Yeah, you can see, if you can see here, we
Yeah,
have UAT.
my
You can directly
orchestrator
push
is
it
connected.
to UAT if you want. But
Yeah.
in our scenario we will not have such an option. So what we will do is we will push or we will publish it to local machine. Okay, click on publish. Okay,
On the top right.
exactly, on the left side there is publish options. Click on that.
I did, sir. I did. Can't you see me my screen?
On publish options, it's still in package properties. Click on publish
Where?
options.
Yes.
Publish options on the left
Now
side.
it's happened.
Okay. Publish option.
Okay, instead of orchestrated tenant feed, we will save it in our local custom.
Custom.
Okay.
Okay.
Now give a folder path. So what's the folder path? You can select our week one and then create a folder called package over there, deployment over there.
Okay.
Go to RPA developer in that it is.
Yeah. In your folder, right?
Yeah.
Original.
Yes.
This one.
Week
I
one.
have to create a folder here.
Open that. Open week one.
Okay.
Create a folder called deployments.
Yes, I did, sir.
Okay, select this
select
folder.
this.
So you are updating or creating package in this particular folder but not into orchestrator. Okay.
So now publish.
Yeah, click on publish, please. Click on OK.
Oh, so okay.
Okay, so guys, now let me just tell you how we did the code. Can you see the screen from me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
today it's 13 April, excellent day, 2022, and what we are doing, we are deploying our project. But before deployment, let's just understand what we have done. So who did coding?
Me and my team,
Aleki and team.
Lekya, yeah.
And before that, who did documentation?
Sir, Rajiv, me, Lakshmi, and Sumanta.
Okay. Let's take it as Rajiv and team. Okay. Next, um, who worked with the testing?
Akriti and team.
Okay. Now, who helped you to work on all the activities? Let's say Maruti helped you. Did he connect with everyone, with all the team members yesterday?
Yes, Rajika.
Yes.
Did he guide you on what to do?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, we have did one wrong thing actually.
Okay.
We should have connected before we start doing coding, but
Yes.
then after all the development, we have connected with Maruti. He had asked us to make changes like add exception handling and then use Excel, and from there we have to grab data, but then uh, by that time it's almost late and we were unable to do the changes.
Okay. Great.
So
So now, let me just add one more thing. Deployment is done by Rajan.
Rajan, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see, one single calculator code is being done by 30 members here. Okay. And is everyone working on a single code or not? How many copies of calculator do we have now? Is it 10, 20, or 30, or single code?
Single core.
Okay, so this is how we commit and we work together in our organizations as well. Okay, we will first understand what is the requirement and create our task, assign the tasks, create tasks and integrate them and then test them and then deploy them. Okay, now for Rajan created deployment package. So now do you think that we will deploy it in Rajan's machine?
No.
No. So
It
Rajan,
should
make a
be.
pull request and
Yeah.
commit. Commit and pull request.
Uh, wh-
Yeah, go to Git.
Where?
Go to Git.
In the Git desktop.
Yep.
Okay. Can I share my screen?
Go ahead, please.
Okay. So yeah, I'm in Git. Now what, Vajra?
Yeah, just commit to main. Make a pull request. We have 7 more minutes.
I did. I
Okay. So what is that? You go to GitHub website and then make a pull request. Guys, please help him. don't get things delayed. We are running out of time. We thought of doing a mock interview today, but due to this deployment we are not able to do this. Yep. Make a commit pull request, create a pull request. Yep. Deployment package created. Create a pull request.
Okay.
Okay. And then yes,
Then
it's done. I need to approve it. Let me approve it.
okay.
Okay. So Maruti, after I approve it, can you see the screen share or not? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me just fetch or change this pull request deployment package. I will just approve the package and then we'll continue. Okay. Package. I'll see with the changes. There is only one file change. Go to main. Choose branch. Okay. Push to origin. Main branch 412. What is this? 414. Okay. This is 414. Create branches up to date with PR. Okay, this is done, I guess. So guys, can you do a fetch upstream, everyone? Everyone. Just confirm whether you have completed fetch upstream, and if you have completed fetch upstream, all I need you to do is to upload your package to orchestrator, and I will tell you how. Marti,
Yes, sir.
guide the team, share your screen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So I just did the file upstream now.
Yes, go to GitHub desktop,
Yeah.
fetch origin. Just make sure you have the changes. Click on history and see the changes. Do you have changes available or not? That NuGet package.
No, yeah, it is. No, it is not there.
Then go back. Go back to fetch. Go back to your code. GitHub desktop or GitHub website. GitHub website.
Yes.
Okay. Go to the top. Branches up to date. Which scroll up. Scroll up, please. Scroll up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Click on fetch upstream again. Just click on fetch upstream if that is available. Okay. Go to GitHub desktop. Yep. And then use fetch upstream, fetch origin. I think you have them, but you're not seeing them right now. See if you already have it. 101 point NuGet package. You already have it. First
Yeah,
change. No, first change. You already have it. Click on repository and open in Explorer. Show the code. See the code. Fourth option, repository. Fourth option, file edit
okay,
view repository.
sorry.
Uh,
Yeah.
show in Explorer. Guys, you too must do the same thing.
Yes.
Go to Vajrang folder.
Yeah.
Project 1. Where is the project 1?
It's not.
Give me the access ones for your machine.
Yes.
Okay. So you did not have all these changes. See, there are 88 commits. You are behind 88 commits. You haven't taken any commit or any upstream from all the other members. Guys, please please complete this pull origin. After you complete fetch upstream. Okay, it's done. I think that should be done. Let's go with. So let's assume that Maruti is provided only with package. He is not provided with the code. He is not provided with anything except the package. He is not provided with anything. So Maruti is doing our deployment here in his machine. So Maruti is our robot. Okay. So go to your UiPath robot. Open UiPath robot, please. Everyone open UiPath robot.
So, UiPath assistant, you mean by
Yes.
UiPath?
Correct,
Okay.
correct. Assistant. Open UiPath assistant. Make sure your orchestrator is connected. On the top right, you can see a green icon with enabled symbol or anything. Click on that so that you will be navigated to orchestrator. So let's go ahead and open that. Where is our UiPath assistant?
Yeah, click on it.
Anyone who have UiPath assistant open, make it fast. I just can't
Yes,
wait.
sir, I have.
Rajan, okay, share your screen again. Marty, just wait. Follow the activities.
Yes, I'm sharing the screen.
Okay. Here's the UiPath
Give your
assistant.
robot a name. Just give out a name for yourself.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I did. Get started now.
Yes. Bindu, I think you have shared a blank screen. Rajan, please share your screen again.
Hello.
Okay.
Is my voice audible?
I am
Can you
seeing
see my screen, sir?
yeah, I think I can. Yes,
Okay.
I can. Okay.
So I created a robot called calculator robot.
No, that's not calculator robot. That's a robot name. That is RK. On the top right, you can see the green symbol, right?
Yeah.
Green. Click on that. So you are connected to this orchestrator, default tenant orchestrator. Okay, just log in. Continue with Google. So irrespective of what it is, Google, Outlook or anything, I just want you all to open orchestrator or log into orchestrator. Click on done. So you are connected to UAT. Is that what you are telling?
Uh,
Okay.
how can I?
Okay, leave it. Click on tenant on the top.
Okay.
See, there are packages. Yeah,
Packages.
machines, packages, machines, packages, audit on the top right.
Oh, right.
Yep, left to it. Left to credential stores. Packages.
Yeah, yeah.
So, is
Packages
everyone
machine.
able to see the screen, guys? Or is it only Bindu who is not able to see the screen?
Yeah,
Everyone
we
Yes,
are
can
able
see.
to.
everybody.
Yep.
We can see the screen.
Yep, fine. So, click on packages. Bindu, just reconnect again. Click on upload a package. Select
And
the file.
select the NuGet.
Yes, select that NuGet package.
Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Upload.
Yes.
So package uploaded successfully.
So your package is uploaded successfully. Now you are a production machine now.
Okay.
Okay, but you haven't created any code. All you did is you
Okay.
got a package and you deployed it. Now you need to test
Okay.
it. Go to UiPath. After you update a package, you need to create a process. Okay.
Okay.
So process is telling where that code should execute on.
Okay.
Okay. Click on UAT. Let's see if we can create a package process. Yes. Go to process. Create a process.
Add process.
Yes. Select the package.
Yeah.
Entry point is main. That's fine. Click on next. Scroll down. Click on next. That's fine. Yep. Display name. Just write calculator. Yep. Scroll down.
Anything else?
That's fine. Let's just create it.
Create.
Yep.
So I click create. Okay.
Yep. So you can start now. Click on start now.
Okay.
Okay. On the right side, you have any robot, any license. If you want, you can change it to what you are working on right now. Click on that account. There are no results. Any machine. Okay. Go to UiPath Assistant now.
Yeah.
Can you see calculator?
Yeah.
Okay, since your robot is connected to orchestrator, this is the reason why you are able to see it. I hope everyone are able to complete it till this task. If you have completed till this task, congratulations, you have completed deployment of your first solution without connecting or without studio.
And Vajran,
Hmm.
here we can assign any timings also, right? From
That
this timing to this
those are
timing.
triggers. Leave about them. Those are triggers. Right now we are
Okay.
concentrating only on working on a code and deploying it into a different production machine.
Okay.
Okay. So execution, triggers, queues, everything we'll see next week.
Sure, Raj.
Okay. So this is
Vajra,
something you will not be able to do on your own at any point of time until you have all the members like this. Yep. Congratulations to all the team members. Tell me.
Like where the roles comes into picture. Uh,
Roles, okay. So roles will come into picture like if you don't want to give access to any member with packages, if someone should not upload any packages, if you do want to give something like that, that's when roles will come in place.
okay.
Gotcha.
Yes,
That means for clients, can
exactly.
we?
Clients should not have access to upload or delete the packages, right? They should have only access to see the executions.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's all. So I'm stopping the recording. Guys, wait a second. I'm stopping the recording. It's taking too much.
Okay.
I'll stop.